This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Laura C. Narot. Stunning and spacious 5-bed, 4-bath, Somerset with an open floor plan, beautiful waterfront lot, fenced-in yard, and on a cul-de-sac street. 1 bed and 1 bath are downstairs, master bedroom and 3 others are upstairs along with a loft area. 2019 construction. A-rated schools. 24/7 guard, pet-friendly neighborhood. IT includes chef-style kitchen quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances, gas stove. Impact windows, gutter system. Zebra shades on all windows. Motorized shades on glass sliding doors/windows upstairs, custom-built media center and loft area. Retractable motorized screens for back patio. Window tinting to entire house. 2 resort-style clubhouses offering all the amenities. This is all you could possibly want and more. Come live in CASCATA at MIRALAGO. For more information, review the details below or contact Laura C. Narot at 954-369-0384.